score, which, believe it or not, for a VA loan, a 648 credit score is actually a pretty good score. We also found out in terms of their income that they are a 60% disabled military veteran and they are single with no dependents. So they get $1,395 per month from the VA. They've also had a job for 3 years that they get $75,000 a year base salary or $6,250 a month from that job. That means their total monthly income is between the job and the disability is $7,645 a month. So not bad. Now we also got to calculate debt ratio. In order to do that, we got to look at their current debt obligations. Now this veteran had an auto loan for $600 a month that they've been paying on, and they also have a credit card that they pay $100 a month on. So now that we know their credit, we know what their income is like, and we know what current debt obligations that they have, we got to figure out what is a mortgage payment on $300,000 and can they get approved for it? Well, based on a 648 credit score, most lenders should be around a 5.75% fixed interest rate on a 30-year VA loan, which means the APR is going to be around 6.103. So principal and interest comes out to $1,788 a month. We also got to add property taxes and homeowners insurance in that payment. Now, I believe homeowners insurance is going to be around $3,000 a year or $250 a month. And then property taxes on most houses that are 300 grand in Texas or Dallas, Texas, that is, property taxes are going to be about $600 a month. So their total mortgage obligation will be $2,638 a month. They already have $700 a month current debt obligation. So total overall debt obligation with the mortgage is $3,338 a month. And we are going to compare that to their gross monthly income, which is $7,645 a month. And that turns out that their DTI or debt ratio is 43%. With that being said, would this veteran get pre-approved? Absolutely. 43% debt ratio with a 648 credit score, believe it or not, is a very strong, solid loan. And so they will easily be able to get pre-approved with most lenders out there. If you want to see whether or not you pre-approve, even if it's not a VA loan, drop a note in the comments or send me a message. We'll put numbers together and see if we can get you pre-qualified to purchase a house. Peace.